All right, so I'm just going to put one of these pairs of socks over here for the time being because, like I say, you need one pair to make one monkey. Basically, how it works is this. One sock becomes the monkey's body, okay? So, you know, you have to kind of imagine this, but this is, you know, when we're done, this is going to be stuffed with stuffing. This is going to be the head. We don't have the you know, little snout on it yet. We've got to make that. This is going to be the head. This is going to be the rear end there. And then we're going to make a cut here, kind of down the sock here. And then these will become the pieces of the sock that will sew each of them up, and those will become the two legs. So out of one sock, you've got head, you know, the eyes will end up being here somewhere, right? Rear end, you know, then we'll make a, like I said, we'll make kind of a cut down the middle of the sock here, and then those will become the legs. Then out of the other sock, you make pieces. So you'll cut this out, you'll make kind of a triangular cut here, and that will become the snout, and we've got to sew that on. Then you can cut here like this, and then cut that in half, and then each one of those becomes an arm. And then out of the rest here, you can cut a tail out of, about half of this, and then maybe a couple of ears out of the other piece, and if you want to put ears on it, or other body parts, I'll let you use your imagination. But so that's what we'll do. I'm going to start, in the next clip, I'm going to start with one of these socks, and I just need to make one cut, and it's going to be a cut to make the legs.